Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase and decrease brightness in DaVinci Resolve. This is an essential skill for anyone working with video editing, as proper brightness adjustment can completely transform the look and feel of your footage. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see your project interface with all the familiar tools and panels. Now, take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll notice several tabs for different stages of editing. Go ahead and click on the one labeled color. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to adjusting the visual properties of your video, including brightness, contrast, and color grading. After clicking into the color tab, your interface will shift to display a range of color correction tools. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see various icons representing different color adjustment options. What you're looking for is the color wheels icon. Click on it to bring up the controls we need for brightness adjustments. This icon typically looks like circular wheels or dials and is the primary tool for making detailed color and brightness corrections in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've opened the color wheels, you'll see several controls at your disposal. To increase the brightness of your footage, you'll want to focus on two specific parameters, shadow and highlight. Simply move the shadow slider upward to brighten the darker areas of your image. Then do the same with the highlight slider to bring up the brighter portions. By adjusting both of these together, you're creating a balanced increase in overall brightness that affects the entire tonal range of your video. Watch your footage as you make these adjustments to ensure you're getting the look you want without overexposing any areas. Now, if you need to decrease the brightness instead, the process is just as straightforward. You'll work with those same shadow and highlight controls, but this time you'll move them in the opposite direction. Decrease the shadow slider by pulling it down into negative values, which will darken those shadow areas. Then do the same with the highlight slider, bringing it down to negative values as well. This approach creates a balanced reduction in brightness across your entire image, giving you more control over the mood and atmosphere of your footage. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to control brightness in DaVinci Resolve using the color wheels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.